Hey guys, this is the demonstration of today's exercise. This is our given data dump. We want to transform this into this. So the purpose of this exercise is to show you guys how to extract the desired values in a merge cell into separate columns and then remerging it into the format that we want. So let's go ahead and do this. So the first step is splitting the data. So we want to select our data first. We're going to go to the data tab. We'll go to text to columns. On the screen, just click next. Since our current data is separated with these hyphens, we'll go uncheck tab, check other, and then we'll type in the hyphen that appears in our data to separate the values into their separate columns. We'll click next. On this screen, we want to select the destination of where our separated data will begin. So we'll just click on a box beside our data, click finish. As you can see, that function has separated our values into 4 separate columns. So there's 2 methods on how we can recombine this data. I'll show you guys the first method, which is concatenate, bracket, and then let's say we want to select month first. We'll click this, comma, and then because we want to have something to separate the month between the day and the year, we'll use quotation mark, and then a dash, quotation mark to close it, and then comma to go on to our next value, which is our day, comma, quotation mark, and then a dash again, quotation mark, and then comma, so that we can go on to our next value, which is the year, and then just close the function with a bracket, enter, and then just click and drag. And then our second method, we can also use the date function. So equal sign, date, bracket, and as you can see, the function gives you instructions. So we'll start with year, we'll click here, comma, we'll click month, comma, and then we'll click day. And then we'll close the function with a bracket, and then we'll just click and drag. And that's how you unmerge, extract your desired values, and then remerging it into the desired format with the desired values that you want.